Why does your scanner show the P0128 engine code? What does it mean? P0128 is a diagnostic trouble code for coolant thermostat malfunction. The P0128 engine code, or indicate vehicle's engine control module, ECM or PCM, detects that the engine is taking too long to warm up or is running cooler. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Thermostat stuck open. Low engine coolant. Defective engine coolant. Cooling fan stuck on. Stuck open EGR valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ford, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.